Well, dadgum, we already broke our mini excavator. Now we gotta fix it. Welcome to our ranch adventures, y'all. All right, everybody, welcome back to our ranch adventures. If you've been watching our videos, you know that here a few weeks ago, we actually broke the thumb on Little Blue here. I had a bracket here that the thumb was mounted to. Cole was picking something up and it actually pulled a grade nothing Chinesium bolt out. So we were using the mini excavator and we found a weak point. We actually pulled the bowl out right here on the thumb bracket and bent the bracket. So we're gonna have to drop this whole assembly off, take this down to a weld shop and have it heated up and straightened out.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah. One thing to point out is we don't recall tightening these bolts up here. And I'm assuming that this bolt was probably loose. It pulled the threads right off of that probably grade nothing bolt.
Huh. Cool.
So it should go right in there where it bent and popped out. But we'll get it fixed, nothing major. I mean, we were probably playing on the limits of this machine when it happened. So, you know, stuff happens with machinery.
It's Cole's fault. He did it.
It was me. I bent the bucket. I bent the thumb. It's Chinese rated for sure.
So we broke it. So now we got to pull a bracket so we can take it to a fab shop and have it heated up and straightened out.
So now we can pull this off, and I'm gonna take this to my guy. No, we were picking up a log, and I went to go rotate with it, and I heard the pop, and I'm like, that didn't sound great. And then I looked, and the thumb went kind of like, oh honey, you'll never like this. Yeah, the thumb kind of went. And
It looks threaded.
it's very shallowly threaded. That is not a good bite at all. It's kind of scary, actually.
That's
So upon inspection, we're gonna have to chase every one of these inserts because all the bolts are chewed up. So they did not do a great job with these threads.
So we've got one hole that we're gonna have to tap, and then we're gonna put the bracket back on, see if we can't get Doughboy back to 100%. I did forget to grab some lubrication for the, oh, never mind. Got some lubrication for the tap. Let's go ahead and tap this hole out and put everything back together. I just picked up a handy dandy tap set at Harbor Freight. Going to go ahead and get that started in this hole. Maybe.
Oh
That, all my bolts. Yep. Thread right there at the end that we're trying to get through. Yeah. Looks like there might be some I need to pry out of there, actually.
What you find in there?
There is a little piece of metal right there. You see that?
Yep.
I need to get that out so I can get the tap in. So
Yeah, hopefully we'll get us a pig this weekend, huh, Bo?
so there's a piece of a thread in there, and Cole is working on getting it out. I can't get it to budge, so he's going to give it a shot and see if he's holding his mouth right, because I sure wasn't. There's Tony. She's been cooking meth. I mean, she's been filming them spray foam insulation inside the shop.
She's a Breaking Bad enthusiast.
Yeah.
Breaking Bad, baby. Blue trackers in the dirt.
Oh.
Did you get it? Did he get it?
Got it spinning. I just need to make sure I'm spinning it the right way.
Come on, baby. Still moving?
Slowly.
So how's the spray foam insulation looking?
So the spray foam is looking awesome. I really like the technique they're doing where they're staying inside of the middle rails. And he's obviously very experienced because he's super smooth. So it keeps all of the form of the sheeting, you know, like the, look over here, look at the grooves. Like you keep all of the grooves with the spray foam look. So it's super cool. It's pretty. It's going to be pretty instead of ugly, which is nice.
Super excited about it.
Yeah. I mean, you want pretty, right?
I mean, obviously, look at your getup.
Yeah.
I really don't know that it needs retapped as much as it just needs that out.
Let's try a screw.
I need to work the butcher. I'm going to work the butcher.
So when we looked in there, we realized that there was a piece of a thread still hung up in there, so it may not need tapped. It may just needed that removed.
Like this? Yes.
It's going, but it's just hitting that burr. Oh, hold on, buddy. There she goes.
You got it?
She broke. She's inside there now.
Still need chased.
I think we can chase it, but I think we should be in good shape.
Work the butcher.
Harbor
Freight.
So this was a really cheap tap and die set, like 32 bucks for a whole set. So far, I'm not super impressed. I should have spent the extra for the icon, but I didn't. That looks like it's going in pretty good.
It is.
Good?
I think so. No, I was looking at a tap and die set for my garage. I don't believe I'll be buying the cheap one from Harbor Freight.
You know, I mean, what can you expect for $32, right? Of course, that was with a coupon.
Like a glove? Alrighty.
Alright, so here is the tap and die set, which worked, but is not the most,
The grippy don't grip.
yeah, the handle's kind of a,
The die is actually not bad. It's just the grip.
yeah, but anyhow, close that up. I got some blue Loctite, also from Harbor Freight.
Is it Harbor Freight brand Loctite?
It is thread lock blue semi-permanent, but I'm sure it's probably made by,
So it's locked-ish.
yeah, it's Loctite-ish. The bolts that I bought are supposed to be equivalent to a grade 8, which is, what is it, a 10.9 grade alloy, which is supposed to be equivalent to a grade 8. I don't know really what these Chinesium bolts are made out of. All right, so we got one more hole it looks like is needing to get chased.
You got a crescent wrench, Andy? Or how about your pocket pliers?
I don't know that they're big enough, but you can try
They're
them.
big enough.
Got some handy dandy pocket pliers. Just don't snap that tap. You want the handle?
No, the handle wasn't working. I feel like it should go now. There's just something real nasty at the front. Pocket pliers.
All right, thank you.
I'm working hard.
You're working?
I'm working, but
Nice.
I do hops.
We are getting ready to put this back on there, this bracket.
Has that impact got enough oomph?
Oh, you guys making fun of my freaking Ryobi, but they won't die, guys.
I'm gonna have to go get him a Milwaukee sticker. It'll be worth like 5 foot-pounds.
I'm working.
We are working hard, aren't we?
I've been working hard. Not working a good tractor.
There you go. Let's get this first.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Is that the right way?
Yep.
What done working? What done working, Dada?
That looks cockeye.
Oh, Dada. Dada, look out.
Okay. We did not put any Loctite on
Loctite
these.
on them. Nope. We probably should.
Yeah. Hey. actually-
Because we do it nice, because we do it twice. We forgot to put Loctite on here. Just a dab will do you, by the way.
Just a sliver, not a river.
Need to go ahead and start running these in so they don't dry.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
need this one. Now we're going to go ahead and start reinstalling the thumb in the cylinder because we got the bracket all back in there. Handy dandy pocket knife. A real man carries a pocket knife.
Get it, buddy.
What's wrong with it, buddy?
The wheel's clogged again.
Oh man. A little Loctite on that bolt. We're 3 oogie doogies. Change the direction. All right. Thank you, Cole, for getting the right one.
No problem, man.
I'm going to go ahead and put another dabble D on here. I'm going to try to get this one better. Remember, not a lot of Loctite, just a dabble D right there on the end of the threads. What happens when this goes in and loses oxygen, then it seals up and locks up your connection. So. There we go. We got it lined up now. Make sure the Oogie Doug is going the right way. All right, we are in. Well, we should be good to go.
Moment of truth.
All right, folks, the last thing that I need to do is I had to move this hose around. So I'm going to have to go grab an adjustable wrench, and we'll turn this hose back where it's supposed to be. And it looks like our little fix is going to work. Everything looks straight and everything's functioning. So we did it. All right, take it. If you like this content, please smash that like button and subscribe. And as always, go have an adventure of your own. Thanks for watching.